Hello everyone, this is Doris from Creatronics. Today we invite Lexi to give us explanation about some questions you always ask. Now let's welcome Lexi. Hello Lexi.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you.
Okay Lexi, you have worked in fashion accessories field for more than 13 years, right?
Yes.
So what do you think is most important?
For fashion accessories, I think the most important is first is for the quality.
Quality.
It is very sure for everything. Because if you don't have quality, you cannot work anymore. And the second is for the fashion style. You have to be follow up the time.
Quality and style is most important. How Creatronics can control the quality?
We have already worked on fashion accessories business more than 13 years. And we also worked with many branded companies like CNA, Quiz, Avon, all these big companies. We really have very deep feeling for the quality control. So actually the first step, the most important thing is you have to use the good quality material. If you are using a bad quality material, you cannot make a good product. So actually this is the first step and the most important key point. So this Creatronics is very much focused on that. We will use our regular supplier, we choose the manufacturers and we choose the right supplier who can offer us the right material and the competitive price. And also it's very important for the person who work on the quality control. So we hire the QC person. It's at least they will work on the factory line 5 to 6 years old, or 6 years at least. Then he know the production. They are not sitting in office and watching the internet. This is no use. You have to walk to factory and check online. When you found the problem, you can revise it in the first time. So this is also very important. And the last step, when the goods delivered to our warehouse, we have to check it one by one. This is the last step. So at that time, the customer also can send their QC come and their also the third party, the ITS, HS, also no problem. If customer don't have time, we also take the photo and the video to show to customer. So for quality control, we are really put a lot of effort on it. So I think if you work with Creatronics for quality, we really will be very sure.
Okay, so material is most important. Then it's the person who inspects the goods. And the last is the final inspection before shipment to the client, right?
Actually, this is a whole system. We worked so many years and we found the system is you have to connect all the sections together, not only one person who is very responsible and another person who then don't care about it. So the whole system is very important if you want to control the quality.
It means it's a whole process to control the quality. So you have worked with many big brands such as, like you said, L'Oreal and others. Can you accept the small orders?
Yeah, sure, of course. Nowadays, the more and more small customer, the retailer, the shops, small wholesaler, they come to China, they order directly from us. Of course, we have to find a way to make it. So we accept a small order. This is no problem.
So normally when we buy 5 or 10 pieces, is that okay for you?
Yes, it depends. We will keep some hot selling styles, keep some stock with us. If the stock is there, of course, 5-10 pieces is accepted to us. If the stock already sold out, One way is maybe you wait some more times. Maybe we can supply to you. Yeah, we will combine with different small customers' order. Then we will produce together and give to customer. And if customer cannot wait, we will try our best to give the minimum order quantity, the best we can do. We will try our best to lower it. And before we need 500 to 1,000 to start the line, but now it's very difficult for small customer. They are ordering so much.
Yes.
So we know this, and we are trying our best to reduce it, try to support customer.
Okay, that means we can try small quantities. If you have stock, you can send to us. If no stock, maybe we have to wait for some time.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so sometimes we always have our own brand, but our quantity is also not so big. So how can you solve this problem?
Yeah, actually we face many customers asking the question.
Yeah.
The fact is that we have to face the fact. If you really need your brand embossed on the bag or stitched on the bag, it's really need more MOQ. Because we have the production line. We have maybe 20 workers working on these lines. If the quantity is too small, we cannot put on the line. So this is the fact.
Yeah.
But of course, obviously, we also have some other solutions. For example, we can make some hand tag, like a paper card hand tag, or sticker, or embroidery woven label, and then we just sew on the lining or the belt, something that easy to use it. So that will be workable, and also the cost also will be very low. One tag maybe 10 cents, 20 cents, and we can make one time 200 pieces. We keep it, and this time you use 20 pieces, 50 pieces. Next time you will use another one. This is a more popular way we suggest to customer. So if you have the idea you want to do that, you can let us know. We will see which style and what products you are interested, and we will give you some right suggestion.
Okay, so that means you will suggest us how we can add our logo on it, right?
Yes.
And about the shipment, how long will it take?
If we have stock, we can deliver very fast.
Yes.
1 day or 1 week. If there are no stock, of course we need to wait, depend on the style order. And this we have to see. We have to check what is the situation and what models you have for order.
Okay, so you will find the best freight for us, right?
Yes, we worked so many years. We have agreements with all the bigger freight companies, DHL, FedEx. We all have very good discounts. So we will check the best freight for you. And if you have your own forwarder, you also can let us know. We can contact them and we can send the goods to your forwarder, and you just decide. It's no problem for us.
Okay, because sometimes our order is small, so quantity is less, and the freight will be more. So is there any way that we can solve this problem?
Yeah, of course, sea shipment is the cheapest.
Yes.
If the quantity is more than 3 CBM, 5 CBM, we'd better use the sea shipment. But if your quantity is not enough for the sea shipment, maybe we can consider the air shipment. Air shipment, if the weight is more than 100 kilogram, we can use the air freight. It will be faster.
Yeah.
And, it's also a little more expensive than sea shipment, but it depends the item. And if the quantity is more, 5 pieces, 10 pieces, of course we don't have more choice. We can only use the express. Express is higher, but there are also many ways. We compare which one In some countries, there are also special lines.
Yeah.
They can offer a better price. So, yeah, what we can do is we will choose for you according to your quantity.
Okay, so use our agent or you find agent for us.
Yes.
This is both okay, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
it's no problem.
So, do you offer other services? For example, we are selling in our shops for handbags, but we also want other things. Can you also try for us?
Yeah, right now our category already covered a lot of items, the stones, jewelries, all this. It's because many of the customers they are selling similar items. They are selling this range.
Yeah.
One thing is we can try to give more service to customer. Another thing is also can save the freight. If you order the bags, it's quite big.
Yes.
And if we combine some wallets, some jewelries, it can make the freight cheaper.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah. So this also can save the customer cost. And also, right now we work with some customers. They're asking us to be their agents. They are buying all the items from China, and we will help them to sourcing the factory, sourcing the products, and make the payments, apply the custom, make the delivery. All this job we will help them to do. So it depends if you. Because we worked so many years and also have many experience on different products, so you can try with us. I think this is a very confident. How to say? It's a advantage for us to help customer to make the work more easy. I think. What is our job? Sometimes we will ask ourselves, why customer want to buy from you?
Yes.
Why they want to buy to you, not from A, from B? I think what we can do is we will reduce customer headache. Let customer only focus their selling, their marketing. They are focused only on this. And for other, we should help them to settle.
Yes.
The sourcing, the delivery, all these minor different things. We should find a way to help them to settle. So I think this is what we can do, and this is very normal, but also not so easy. What is our purpose for so many years? We think this is our main job.
That's a good wish. Hope Creatronics can help you more. So thank Lexi for such quite detailed explanation about all the questions. If you have more questions, you can follow our YouTube or you can write the email to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.